In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a spinning effect like this, which will make your slides 100 times better. So first, open up a new blank presentation in PowerPoint. Okay, so first I'm going to come up to here and click on Insert, and then I'm going to click on the Pictures option. So I'm going to go and find a background that I want to use for this slide. So you have three different options. One, you can choose from this device if you've already got a picture on your device you want to use. Next, you can use stock images, or lastly, you can use online pictures. So I'm going to choose this one. And then in the search bar, I'm just going to do search for space. And then there's many options to choose from. I'm just going to choose this one. So I'm going to tap on that one and then click insert. So that picture's now been inserted. Now I want to just expand this picture, make it a bit bigger so it fits into the slide by doing this, dragging it across. Drag, drag, drag. So it fills the whole slide. That's great. Then next I'm going to come back up here to insert. Then I'm going to click on 3D models. So again, you can choose 3D models that you've got saved on your device or stock 3D models. So I'm going to tap on that one. Then in here, I'm going to search for planets or planet. Maybe give me a few better options. There we go. So first, I'm just going to choose this planet. I like the look of that one. Then click insert. Then I'm going to click on insert again and choose another planet in the same way. I choose this one this time and click insert again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one up here in the top right hand corner and then one down here in the bottom left corner of the page. And that looks good. So then next what I need to do is just right click on this slide over here and click on duplicate slide. So it's just going to duplicate that slide into a second slide. So they're both exactly the same. Then next, make sure that you've got the second slide highlighted. And then click on your first planet here. Then spin it around completely 180 degrees by doing this. Drag it all the way around. And then do the same for this one up here. 180 degrees all the way around. Then what you need to do is just drag it outside of the slide, but still keep it in a little bit. And then you can either make it a bit bigger. So I'm going to make this one bigger. And then this one I'm going to drag it outside of the slide, but I'm going to make this one a bit smaller. And then next, once I've done that, I'm going to come up here to transitions. And then I'm going to choose this morph option. So if I click on morph, then I'm just going to go back to the first slide and then click on presentation down here, slideshow, and you'll see how it looks when I click the button. So I'm just going to click to show you what the slide looks like. And there you go. That's how you create a spinning effect on PowerPoint. And that makes the slides look so much better, so much more interactive, and gives people things to look at that will keep their interest when you're giving you your slides. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.